to another video. You are watching Phones on UA with me, Garishma. Today we are going to talk about Nokia 6555 out here. Talking about this variant, we can say it is a lightweighted variant out here, which weighs approximately 97 to 99 grams out here. It was a flip phone. Yes, if you look at the variant out here, it has got a very nice coating out here, and it is a flip phone out here. When we talk about this variant, the size of this variant is just 2 inches. Yes, the small size is 2 inches. When you flip it up, then it becomes a slightly bigger out there. When we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant has 200 ppi density, and you will get to see that you will have an external display too. Yes, the display, if you check out, then it has got an external display also. Having an external storage capacity, because 30 MB storage capacity is not sufficient out here, so you get to have an external storage capacity also. When we talk about this variant, we can say it offers you 1.23 megapixel camera, approximately 1.3 megapixel, we can say a megapixel camera out here, with no selfie camera and 1000 entries out there. You also get to have a 2.5 jack with zero touch speaker, FM out there. You get to see really amazing functions out there. Having no connectivity except Bluetooth can be considered as an okay version out there. When we talk about this variant, this has got a battery life of about 1000. Yes, 1000 mAh battery life could be seen with 6 to 30, like 6 hours to 7 hours talk time. When we talk about the talk time, then talk time could be considered as an okay version. Yes, it's an okay version to have this, and it's really a classy phone out here. We can say it's a classy phone out here. Now let us talk about the site where it is available, because it's available on various sites with n number of pricing. But one site offers you the best pocketable deal, which is none other than phoneson.ae. Yes, this is the site which is named as phoneson.ae. When we talk about this site, you get to see icon here, which is all mobile phones, which helps you to check out all the gadgets from these reputed brands. And this search icon helps you to check out your favorite gadgets. So the results are out. As we see the results, we get to see there's a description box which let us know all the specifications of the gadget, and a condition written on the top notch, that is refurbished condition. So let us talk about refurbished condition, know how is it different, what are the specifications of it. So let us read about the specified word refurbished and see whether it's good to invest in this or not. Talking about refurbished product, or talking about the brand new products, and discussing about these specifications and everything about the products. So let us first know what is refurbished, and let us see how is it different or is it similar to brand new. When we talk about refurbished product, the word itself means creating something new, like, yes, newly, like creating something newly, like we can say. And refurbished product passage is exactly the extension of brand new. Yes, we can see the brand new where it ends, where the path of brand new ends, the refurbished products path extends from there. How refurbished products work, how they are classified, how they are done, and how we use them, everything we are going to talk. And first, let us see what refurbished product and brand new looks like. What happens with brand new products is like the main company, the base out there, launches it in the market. Yes, it's launched into the market, and then the market agency, marketplace, anything, any mediator out there sells it to the users. Yes, it is sold out to the users out there. What happens then? This user uses it, and this ends out the brand new product out here. The brand new strategies, the brand new things stand out here. From here, the refurbished product starts. When this user now wants to sell its product out here, then it is pre-owned product, it's sold out to any agency, any marketplace out there who takes the old used phones, or we can say pre-owned phones out there. Then these phones are verified, tested, and then they are actually converted, or we can say they are actually presented absolutely the way they were when they were launched out there. Yes, when how they were launched, like that, the good display out there, everything. And then it is again sold out to the new users out there who would like to have that brand, that new model out there. So this is what refurbished and brand new ends out there. Talking about this, then we can say the similarities lies in the parameters. When we talk about the parameters, we can say that the products out here or the testers out there are quite similar, are actually the same. We can say they are same. For brand new products, there are like display factors which has to be checked, connectivity factors, SIM factors out there, camera factors, video factors out there, connectivity factors, the colorization, operating system factors, processor, the general outputs, the internal parts out there, everything has to be checked. Same happens with the refurbished products. Their display, their intactness, their connectivity is checked, their camera, audio, video qualities are checked out, their SIM recognition, battery lives, their screening, colorization, data wiping, everything, whichever product we study, like the operating system processor, everything has to be checked. When they are checked, they are given a certificate which is refurbished certificate, or we can say when these 29 big parameters are crossed, not the sub, only the sub, every parameter is important when testing any product. Now they have tested, and then we get to have this kind of a result where we get our certified products. Now these certified products, we can say, are given a condition, it is either written certified refurbished or refurbished, they are same. We can say that it gives a quality check. Yes, then we can say it is given a quality check. So when the quality check is given, they are actually becoming absolutely new, they are actually newly like products. But there are benefits of having refurbished products. And the benefits we are talking is number one, savings. Yes, we all love savings, and saving is one of the most important factor out here. How we save? This comes to the second point, how we save, because brand new products are quite expensive, whereas the refurbished products are quite pocketable. Yes, the refurbished products are quite pocketable. So you can say that these pocketable pricing, these pocketable rates helps us to save a great saving. Since we all need warranty period, we all worry for the warranty. So the sites offer you 6 months warranty for the refurbished products. Yes, for refurbished products, you get 6 months warranty period out here. As well as you get 7-day exchange policy. Yes, 7-day exchange policy is also given out to the products out there. Whereas in brand new, if we talk, you get to have a 1-year warranty, which is reduced out in the refurbished products. Now let me take you back to the website where we were talking about, so that you get to see the website and could see easily what it has. The website name has been highlighted, phoneZone.ae. And when we talk about this website, it offers you again n number of gadgets under the category of all mobile phones. This is the search bar where you can search your great featured phones, gadgets, your favorite gadgets. As I have already talked to you about the refurbished products warranty and 7-day exchange policy, this site offers you 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy. Apart from this, it gives you COD and free home delivery. Yes, you get to have COD and free home delivery. 100% original products out here. And when we talk about the delivery time, it usually takes 48 hours delivery for most of the parts of UAE, whereas it might take up to a week for Saudi. Yes, Saudi, it might take up to a week. But for pricing, you can visit out the website or call on executive helpline number. As well as placement of order can be done in both the ways, online and on call also. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.